loves, today's video, oh my gosh, I am super stoked because if you guys could not guess by the title, it's a Geek Gear unboxing of their July box. Guys, this was sent to me for free from Geek Gear to unbox for you guys. And this is in no way, shape, or form sponsored, and I am not paid to say any of this, so all opinions will be my own. I have no clue what's in here, and I just got this today, and I'm super stoked. I had to jump on camera and unbox this for you guys, and I'm gonna see what's inside too. So, let's see. I'm super stoked, guys. You don't even know. So, oh, okay then. I see a t-shirt on the top. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if you guys noticed, by the way, I'm wearing my Cherry Wallace sweatshirt. And it is so cozy, and I just love it. It's the Slug Club one. So cute. So let's see here. Wiggly worms are on me. Okay. Oh, this is super cute. Ollivanders. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, and yes. I am loving this t-shirt. I have so many Harry Potter t-shirts. It's not even funny. I could probably build a fort, like, it's bad. But this is so cute, I am so going to wear that. And, oh, there's so many little boxes. I don't even know what to look at first. What do I even want? Let's see. We'll open this one because, it says Hogsmeade. It jingles. What could this be? I don't know. It won't open. Let's see. Doo. Here's a few seconds of me struggling to open this box. Okay. Oh my god. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is this? It's a little Hogsmeade sign that says, "Welcome to Hogsmeade." And it's so beautiful. I love what it's made out of. It's like a hard metal. It is stunning. This is beautiful. I have to see where I'm going to put this. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. And I see something else in here. What is this? Oh, is this a chess piece? I know in Cherry's box, I got a really beautiful chess piece. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is stunning, guys. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I have to put this next to the other one on my shelves. Wow. I am loving this box so far, guys. And let's see, what's this? So many of these. It's Christmas colored. I like that. Ooh, what's this? There's an umbrella on the front. Is this Hagrid's umbrella wand? I just broke the box. Typical Sam. Shut up. Shut up, it is! Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is so going to be displayed next to my Funko Pops. This is adorable. Like, wow, it's pretty big too. I love this. Alright, let's see here. I'll just throw all of this on the floor. We'll pick that up after this. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is a spoiler card. We don't want that. Don't want to spoil anything else. Ooh, I see something here. If I can get it out. Wow. Wow. It's a print. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. Ministry of Magic, Muggle-born Registration Commission. Mudbloods and the dangers they pose to a perfect pureblood society. Interesting, guys. Interesting. How do you guys feel about that? And let's see. Ooh, this is so pretty. I always have a hard time getting the artwork out of these boxes. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my. Expecto Patronum! That is my favorite spell, by the way. This is beautiful. I love this so much. This is such a stunning box. Ooh, a scratch card. Let's see. Can I do this without? Did I win? Let's see. No win. Better luck next time. Okay then. We didn't win. That is okay. Now, we also have this really cute flying car charm. And it is said, I think I did see a spoiler of this on Instagram, that it was for a charm bracelet. Oh yes, I did see this because I follow them on my merch page. And this is beautiful, guys. I guess I could sneak this onto one of my own charm bracelets because I don't have the Geek Gear charm bracelet because this is my first time. Well, it's not my first time getting one of these boxes, but I've ordered Cherry's past 2 boxes and this one was just sent to me, so I do not have any of the other charms, but this is stunning. And the cheat sheet, let's look at this. So we have number 1, an exclusive Ollivander's Modern Logo t-shirt. Number 2, an exclusive Dementor community artist artwork. And the stunning artwork is brought to you by Milton Castro. Amazing job, Milton. That is so beautiful. Like, I'm so framing that and putting it on my wall somewhere. Wherever I can find some room, it's going up there. And then number 3, exclusive Ministry of Magic Mudblood propaganda poster replica. Exclusive Hagrid's Umbrella mini replica. That was number 4. Number 5 is exclusive Wizard's Chess Rook piece replica. Number 6 is an exclusive mini metal Hogsmeade hanging sign. And last but not least, number 7, monthly charm collection flying car. Guys, I really like that charm, so like I said, I'm probably just going to put it on maybe even a necklace, to be honest, like a plain chain or one of my existing charm bracelets since I don't have the Geek Gear one, and it would make a nice addition to anything because it's so beautiful. Did you guys enjoy this box? If you did, let me know down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell if you guys want to see any more videos like this. And let me know, what did you guys think about this box? I was really blown away. I think everything is so beautiful and magical inside, and I am so going to be rocking that t-shirt. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and